Monday, March 18, 2019. This is Mercedes Diesel Guy, and this is my 1998 Volvo S70 base model project car. Keep inching towards completion on this car. Emphasis on inching. Now, as I had mentioned in my previous video, I was away for the weekend. I also did not get out here Friday night because of pure exhaustion. So, I'm not in much better shape tonight, but I gotta move. I gotta move the project forward. Now, last night, which would have been Sunday night, I was out here for a little while. My aim then was to flush and bleed the brake system, because I had all the new brake parts installed. Well, you can see the tube here for the pressure bleeder tool just kind of draped over the mirror. So I bled the passenger side rear wheel first. That went just fine. And then I went to, and once again a reminder, there's a new caliper on that wheel. And then I went to bleed the driver's side rear caliper next. And so I opened the bleeder screw, I got the fluid flowing through everything, looked fine. Closed the bleeder screw and it was still gushing out. And I figured, okay, did I do something wrong? So I tried to tighten the bleeder screw down even more. Did not work. At that point I was kind of desperate, so I pulled a bleeder screw from one of the old calipers and threaded that in, and it was exactly the same. It was gushing out by the bleeder screw, and my only guess on that is the rebuilt caliper I got from the local auto parts store. Maybe at some point in the past it had a broken off bleeder screw, so they drilled it out and retapped the hole and made a pure mess of things. I didn't really take a close look at it. All I know is that was the problem, the bleeder screw. I ended up just getting a full refund of the original purchase price and the core charge. And I went down to another local auto parts store, one I've had much better luck with over the years, and got another caliper, which was about the same money, higher core charge, but you know, that's meaningless. Once I return the core, I get that money back. So, yeah. Should have been showing you this while I was talking, but I'm tired. It's just kind of hard to remember everything. So, yeah, here's the wheel with no caliper. But I have a new caliper that I'm going to install, if I can find the thing. Oh, there it is on the floor right there. So, as you can guess, my exhaustion is just getting to me. So, yeah, I'm going to install this, continue bleeding the brakes, and hopefully just get that done tonight. After which, really it's just a matter of filling and bleeding the cooling system, getting some wheels on this car, and then it should be drivable, and we'll just need a cleaning. And the only other thing it'll need for inspection will be windshield wiper blades, but those will just take a minute to install. So I'm going to get to work, and I'll show you what I have done at the end of the evening. Okay, it's late, and I know there's really not much to show you, but I actually do finally have the brakes done. Didn't take long to install that new driver's side rear caliper, nor to put the pads back in and bleed the system. And thankfully the replacement caliper, which I got from a different store, did not leak. And then, just to be safe, I went back to the other side of the car, bled the passenger side rear caliper again. I did not get any more air out of there, thankfully, but I was just doing that to be safe, just in case I had introduced air into the system. Then I bled the two front calipers, and I was done. And I put the cap back on the system, so that's all good to go. Brakes are done, suspension's done. I was hoping to get the fuel filter done tonight, but it's getting late, and like I said, I've been out here for a little over an hour, and to get this done, I'm happy enough for the night. So hopefully for the rest of the week I should be able to get out here a lot earlier in the evenings and get this car done. So I think the next job is the fuel filter, and I'll go from there. So this is Mercedes Diesel Guy. Thanks for watching.